Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the playback speed of a video on TikTok. Super simple. You are just going to select the share button here, and you need to not select the share button. You need to select the video for a few seconds, so just select it. And as you can see, there will be a playback speed. There's a 0.5x speed, 1x speed, 1.5x speed, and a 2x speed. So the current video is going to be on a 1x speed. If you want the video to be slower, you're going to set it to 0.5x speed. And if you want the video to be quicker, you're just going to set it to the 2x speed. Oh, actually it's the other way around, sorry. If you want the video to be, oh, it is actually the right way around, sorry. As you can see. But that is basically it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!